Today we are going to learn about symbols. Symbols are important for writing the word equations when we are writing the chemical reactions. So basically there are few symbols which are usually used in your these chapters like acid, bases and salts in the next chapter. So you need to memorize those. So one among them is like hydrogen. H is the symbol for hydrogen. We have carbon, nitrogen, sulfur, phosphorus, potassium. All these are required to be written in capital letters. Then we have magnesium, we have sodium, we have calcium, we have chlorine, oxygen is left. These are few of the symbols which are routine used in our word equations. Now when we are writing chemical equation, we need to write the symbol of acid and base. So if you know these symbols of the element, then you can easily write the symbol of a base or an acid. So now after knowing the symbols for some common elements, you need to memorize some symbols of the commonly used acids. Like this is the symbol for your hydrochloric acid. Here H is capital, C is capital, but L is in small letters, and you need to write it in this manner only. Then we have sulfuric acid. When you are writing these numbers, you need to write them as subscript, means at the bottom of the letter, so that we will get an idea. This you will understand in your higher classes, so that you will not get marks deducted for writing it in the wrong manner. You should not write it like this, it will be considered wrong. Then we have nitric acid, then we have carbonic acid. These are the most commonly used acids. Now next we have bases, symbols of certain commonly used bases, and one among them is sodium hydroxide. When you are writing a base, you will notice that there will be some OH coming at the end of each of these bases. This is magnesium hydroxide. Then we have calcium hydroxide. We have potassium hydroxide. Again, these are the commonly used bases which are required for our chemical reactions. Sodium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide. And people need to memorize again and again, I am telling, because these are required for your other chapters also, and even in your higher classes.